Hydraulic lifting arms position each heavy steel drill pipe section precisely into the rotating drilling string for deeper ground penetration. The rotating drill string drives downward while enclosed drilling fluid continuously circulates to cool the system and stabilize deep earth penetration. The process begins at a massive drilling platform where heavy steel systems drive deep into the earth to reach trapped crude oil reservoirs. Controlled pumping systems steadily lift dense crude oil upward through sealed steel pipelines under regulated pressure.
Deep underground pressure begins pushing trapped crude oil upward through a sealed extraction casing under controlled valve regulation. The crude oil now travels through sealed insulated transfer pipelines toward the first separation and treatment systems. Inside the separator vessel, pressure control and gravity begin separating trapped gas from the heavier crude liquid stream. From storage, the crude oil now enters sealed refinery feed pipelines and moves toward the giant refining systems where chemical separation begins.
The refinery feed crude oil now enters giant enclosed heating coils where controlled heat begins transforming its heavy liquid properties.
Heating reduces crude viscosity and transforms the heavy black oil into a hotter, thinner hydrocarbon feed for separation.
Column base pressure holding steady at 250 psi.
Roger that. Manifold temperature is stable.
Inside the distillation tower, lighter hydrocarbon vapors rise upward while heavier fractions condense lower inside the stacked tray system. One valuable light fraction, clear, pale yellow naphtha, is separated and collected for petrochemical processing. The separated naphtha now enters petrochemical feed lines and moves toward cracking furnaces where the building blocks of plastic will be created. The separated naphtha now enters giant cracking furnace coils, where extreme controlled heat prepares it for chemical transformation. Inside the sealed reaction tubes, extreme heat breaks heavier hydrocarbon chains into lighter, high-energy gaseous building blocks.
Rapid cooling instantly stabilizes the freshly cracked gas stream and prevents further unwanted chemical breakdown. A purified ethylene gas stream is separated cleanly, the essential building block used to create plastic. The purified ethylene now enters polymer reactors, where countless small molecules will link together into plastic material. Purified ethylene gas now enters giant polymer reactors, where pressure, catalyst, and controlled chemistry begin forming plastic material. Catalyst flow rate holding steady at 20 liters per hour.
Acknowledged. Ethylene pressure is stable.
The pressure on loop 4 is stabilizing.
Confirmed. Maintain current flow rate.
Separation systems remove leftover gas and liquid medium, leaving behind dense, pure white polymer material.
After drying, the plastic becomes dense white raw resin, the clean base material used for further shaping.
The clean white resin now moves toward pelletizing systems, where it will become uniform plastic feed pellets.
Dense white plastic resin enters giant pelletizing extruders, where controlled heat and pressure will melt it into flowing plastic.
Controlled cooling hardens the soft hot strands into straight, solid white plastic with perfectly uniform thickness.
The uniform plastic pellets now move toward additive mixing, where strength, stability, and pipe performance will be adjusted.
Uniform white plastic pellets enter giant compounding hoppers, where special additives will improve strength, stability, and long-term pipe performance.
Inside the heated mixer, every pellet is evenly coated with stabilizing additives that improve durability and outdoor performance. Conditioning stabilizes pellet temperature and keeps every compound pellet perfectly uniform before pipe extrusion begins.
The fully conditioned compound pellets now enter giant extrusion hoppers where pipe formation begins.
Inside the heated extrusion barrel, compression and heat begin transforming the compound pellets into pipe-forming plastic melt. Inside the giant extrusion barrel, rotating compression screws pull the compound pellets forward into controlled heating zones.
Powerful compression builds heavy pressure and drives the molten plastic toward the precision pipe-forming die.
The plastic exits the die as a large hollow pipe tube with smooth, glossy walls, perfect round shape, and even thickness.
Continuous inspection confirms smooth surface finish, perfect roundness, and consistent pipe wall thickness before cooling calibration.
The newly formed hot pipe now enters vacuum sizing chambers, where exact geometry is locked in before cooling hardens it permanently.
The hot plastic pipe enters sealed vacuum sizing chambers, where exact pipe geometry is carefully locked into shape. Vacuum shaping locks exact diameter, perfect roundness, and consistent wall thickness before final hardening begins.
Check the temperature on zone 3.
Reading steady at 20 degrees Celsius.
Check the synchronization on roller 4.
Speed is holding steady at 15.
Inspection systems verify diameter, straightness, wall thickness, and surface finish before cutting begins.
The hardened pipe now enters precision measuring systems, where exact cutting length is controlled automatically. Precision measuring wheels continuously track exact pipe length, so every cut section matches strict production specifications. Speed synchronization achieved. Clamps engaging now.
A synchronized precision blade cuts the moving pipe cleanly in one pass, creating a perfectly square, crack-free edge.
Automatic beveling tools shape smooth, even pipe edges for clean joining, easier fitting, and stronger sealed connections.
Final inspection confirms smooth pipe ends, exact dimensions, and flawless straightness before packaging preparation.
Finished pipe sections now move forward in neat aligned stacks toward branding, bundling, and final packaging.
Finished pipes now enter automatic printing lines, where brand names, size markings, and technical specifications are applied precisely.
Every pipe receives sharp, readable specification markings for identification, quality tracking, and installation reference. Soft compression systems tighten each bundle evenly while keeping every pipe perfectly aligned and undamaged.
Final bundle inspection confirms wrapping quality, strap security, and perfect shipment-ready alignment.
Now full branded, bundle, wrapped, and stacked end-to-end, the finished plastic pipes are ready for shipment worldwide.
Finished pipe bundles are loaded carefully for transport, ready to leave the factory and serve real-world infrastructure. At construction sites, the pipe bundles are unloaded carefully and prepared for underground installation. Each pipe section is lowered carefully into prepared trenches, where stable bedding supports perfect alignment and long service life.
Apply the compound evenly now.
Okay, sliding the sleeve over. Make sure it locks.
Once installed, the finished plastic pipeline carries clean water smoothly for years with sealed, leak-free performance.